Hi everyone, this is part 2 of our nature hunt video. So today, as you can see, we have all of our materials laid out on the table that Charlize and I had collected the other day. So today I have Landon and Charlize, and they're going to help show you guys what they're going to do with all these loose parts. So what are you guys going to do today?
I'm gonna build a tree.
Well, I'm just gonna put, I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Okay. Well, as they get started, they can show you guys different ways. And also, like, even if you don't use it as collage, you can use it as a loose part, and you can even make pictures, or you can count them. You can talk about different colors. Like, we have an orange or red leaf here. We have yellow. We have green, brown. All right. You guys can start.
Okay.
Let me see. Is it a little bit difficult? Let me see.
No, I don't think it's.
All right, there you go.
I think I'm just gonna do different.
You can do different colors.
Yeah, different colors. Like yellow, like the flowers and the bark. Ta-da. Okay,
All right, let's see what Charlie's gonna do.
I need to do it.
Look, it's good.
You can also let it stay up like that, and it'll dry. And this activity gives children the chance to use their creativity. So there's no right or wrong way to do this activity. They could do as much as they want on here, or as little as they want.
I put leaf on it. And I'm gonna put this small flower.
You're gonna put a small flower.
Yeah.
Are you gonna add any more, Landon?
I'm just waiting until this blue.